Okay, I'm going to show you a little demonstration here, but before I do that, you need to know what car you have underneath you. What are your brakes? You know, all of our new cars are anti-lock brakes, but we still buy older cars. Anti-lock brakes was not a big thing until the mid 2005, 2006. So if you got older cars than that, there's a good chance you do not have anti-lock brakes. You need to know that when you get on snow and ice. So this little demonstration I'm going to show you, you're going to see the anti-lock brakes, the tires pulsating. They're skidding and releasing, skidding and releasing. And what I really want you to understand is I'm only going 20 miles an hour here. I want you to think of you going 40, 50, or even 60. And then if you don't have anti-lock brakes, you are going to slide 3 to 5 times farther than what I just did. Keep in mind, that's 20 miles an hour. Okay, so you can see that I'm on top of the hill. I'm going to come down at 20 miles an hour, and I'm going to slam my brakes on. All right, this is what I'm talking about, that you need to test your brakes. And you're going to see my tires start to pulsate, skid, release, skid, release. That's our anti-lock brakes working. But I want you just to notice, even at 20 miles an hour, how long is it going to take me to stop? I want you to think of the car in front of you. I want you to think of the stop sign in front of you, so you're not going to slide into 50-mile-an-hour traffic. And I want you to picture this. If you did not have anti-lock brakes, you are going to slide 3 to 5 times farther. I'm Mike Pehl, reminding you to drive safe and ride safe.